The best samples of the Kazakh decorative and applied art, the patterns of the Great Steppe exhibition opened in the State Museum of Arts named after Kasteyev in Almaty. Exhibits from the museum's funds are presented here, which includes embroidered tuskize carpets, as well as embroidered belts, which were an indispensable attribute of women's and men's traditional costumes. Among the Kazakh people, embroidery was also considered a special kind of art, which was highly appreciated and admired. Open-work patterns adorned clothes, carpets, and ribbons for decorating yurts. The top of the craftsmanship was considered to be gold embroidery.
Кесте өнері жалпы ежелден келе жатқан өнердің бір түрі, әйел адамдардың айналысатын ең
The art of embroidery came to us from ancient time. It was the main occupation of women. The embroidery itself was divided into different types, which includes the chain stitch that are popular among the Kazakhs and also stitch embroidery called baspa. Until now, our craftswomen embroider their products in this way. They also embroider clothes and bedding besides carpets.
Киімдерінде төсек жапқыштар, басқа да үй тұрмысында қолданатын.
A special importance was the embroidery on clothes. Men's suit, trousers were indicative in this respect, which were embroidered with colored threads. Belts, both leather and fabric, are also decorated with ornaments and silver plates.
Сама вот эта техника блокировки, штамповки, она...
This technique itself, the plating and stamping, it has been known since ancient times. If you take the golden man and all the elements of his costume, we can see that gold is mainly used. But in this technique of plating, casting is preserved in the folk arts and crafts of the Kazakhs. But only folk craftsmen use silver.
В прикладном искусстве казахов, но только народные мастера используют серебро.
Embroidered patterns of the Kazakh people had a symbolic meaning of amulet, good wishes and parting words. In these ornamental motifs, one can feel the real spirit of the Great Steppe. As the organizers of the exhibition say, these masterpieces of folk applied art were created by more than one generation of talented artists who managed to display the main thing, the beauty of the world. The patterns of the Great Steppe exhibition will last until the end of August.